Welcome to seotoole.com. Today I'll show you how to generate dummy image placeholder. Visit the seotoole.com. Scroll down and click Dummy Image Placeholder. Then select image size, whatever you want. Then select background color. Then select text color. Then select image format. Then enter custom text. Then copy image link. See seotoole Dummy Image Placeholder Generator magic. Thanks for watching.